Are ready to transform your ideas into stunning documents? Discover how to harness the power of Canva Docs in this easy-to-follow guide. Whether you are crafting resume, a presentation, or a social media post, we will show you tips and tricks to make your projects pop. Say goodbye to boring templates and hello to professional-looking designs in just a few clicks. Join us and unleash your creativity today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Canva Docs. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, including documents, presentations, social media graphics, and more. Canva Docs is a feature within Canva specifically designed for creating text-based documents, combining the simplicity of a word processor with the design flexibility of Canva. Users can easily incorporate images, graphics, and templates to enhance their documents, making it an ideal tool for both personal and professional projects. So all I have to do is just start signing up and creating an account, then you will find this page. So the first thing that you have to do is just click over Docs here and you will find this page. So this is the page that you have to start with it. So Canva Docs, it's a little bit like Google Docs, but the things that we have here is the design. For example, if you want to add templates, elements, brand, uploads, projects, and apps. So for example, if you want to just, I will just paste, for example, this one, and I will just show you how it works with Canva. So let's get started. So firstly, here we have, if you want to add text title firstly, I will just click over here and I will add a title here. I'll put it firstly in the middle, then I will add it here. For example, I will select the size here 72 like that. Then I will add here the text color. For example, I will select the gray one. Then I will write, for example, alright, then I will just write book like that. Then I'll modify the size of this one. I'll put it here 72. And then I will I will just select it firstly. And I will write 72 for example. Then I'll put it bold because it's a title, alright. Then I'll put it in the middle like that. And here we have it in the middle. This is the title. Then I will just click over here and select the first one. And I will put it as a first heading. Alright. Then I will just add this one, for example. Then also I will add, for example, here I'll put it. Then also I will just, for example, modify this one. I'll put, for example, the gray color. It's look better. Also I will just delete firstly this one. And also I will delete this one. And also I will delete this one. As you can see, this is how it works, as you can see. Alright, and here we have the definitions also. For example, if you want to add a definition here, for example, you will just select this one and you will firstly select the color. For example, I will select the blue color, then I will select the size also. For example, I will put it as a first heading like that, as you can see, and this is how it works. I will select also again this one and I'll put it here as italic, as you can see, and here we have it. Alright, right now I will select also here the text page here. So here is it how it works with typing and adding something here. So for example, if you want to add other things, like here we have design. So here we have it. If we click over here, we'll find here if you want to add a design, hidden, subhidden, body, table, divider, we have here page break, checklist, bulleted list, we have number list, column, if you want a 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. Then we have here also highlight, blocks, quotes, mention date as well, drop down, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, embed emoji, and help. So it's very helpful to use it. Also, for example, if you want to add elements such as this one, for example, so you have just to choose the size that you want. Also, if you want to add other things, for example, if you want to add this one, it's a 3D graphics, or this one also. as you can see, and then you maximize your size. All right, if you want to delete it. So here we have it for the if elements. Then we have to add a brand such as fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, icons. Then if you want to upload something, as I did, for example, I just choose this one as a background and I'll put it as the size of the page. Then I will add, for example, add something. For example, if I want to add here a text, a heading, or other things. All right, and this is how it works. Then we have here projects as well. If you want to create a folder here, or if you want to start here, for example, here we have also designs, folders, images. So you get started and you select the project. We have here a project or shared video. All right, then we have here apps as well. About this, when you have just this, choose the options of Discover or your apps. For example, you have QR code, markups about Discover. We have here AI powered, create something, and we have here Discover content from, import your media also. For example, here we have this one. You have just to open it here, and this is how it works. Also, we have here other options. For example, if we wanna edit something, here we have editing, suggestions, commenting, viewing also. Then you have here if we wanna endo, if we wanna redo, and we have here magic switch. All right, and this is how it works. Then we have here file. For example, for create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy, download, version, history as well. Then here we have also other things. And here we have want to share something. You click over here and you add here people, add name, groups, or email. And also here if you wanna just select only your access here, the design using the link. Or here we have anyone can access the design using this link. No sign-in required. And also here we find other options like download, public view link, save a folder, or see all. Here we find other things, save folder, embed website, or download. So Canva Docs empowers users to create visually appealing documents effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface and vast array of design tools, it bridges the gap between traditional word processing and creative design. Whether you are drafting reports, resumes, or presentations, Canva Docs allows you to express your ideas in a polished and engaging way. Dive in today and elevate your document creation experience. So this is how it works with Canva, and you can just get started as soon as possible and try it. So it's a little bit like Google Docs, but this one is for the we have here also the design. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and have a fantastic day ahead. See you again in the next video.